Hey everyone, I'm going to go ahead and show you in this video how you can actually add in shapes to your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So let's say that we're working on our slide right now. It's not the prettiest slide, it kind of looks like a Microsoft Word doc, but let's say we wanted to go ahead and add in a rectangle around the title up here. So we want to add in a shape around the title. We'll come over here to Insert, come over here to Shapes, and once I click on this, you can see all the different shapes that are available to us. We have rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, and so on. So let's go ahead and click on one of these rectangles. Which one do we want to use? I kind of like this one with the rounded corners, so I'll go ahead and select that. And now once I select it, I need to go and decide where I want to place it. So I actually want to place it right here around the title. Cool. So now we actually have an issue where the fill is we can't actually see it because there's fill in place. So I can come over here and I could select no fill under the shape fill. And now you see we just have this outline. And from here, I could go ahead and I could adjust the outline color. So maybe I want it to be this green color. And now you can see I have this shape around our title. So that's pretty cool, right? Let's actually add in another shape that isn't involving, outlining text or anything like that. So let's go back over here to shapes and let's look for something that's interesting. Let's do this. Which one should we do? Maybe a play button. Why not? So let's go and do a play button and let's go and decide where we want to place it and how big we want it to be. So let's just say we want it to be really small and it's going to be right here. Okay, and now that we went ahead and selected it, it's actually going to give us the option where we want to go ahead and specify what does this do? What is the action for this? So do we want this to be a hyperlink to something? Do we want to go ahead and add in a mouse over option for this as well? Or do we just want it just to kind of live on its own? So let's go ahead and just select OK. We don't want it to do anything. We just want it just to be here. Okay, and now that we have it selected, we can come over here and we can always change the sizing by just selecting it and holding left click. We come over to the top left, top right, bottom left, or we can also change the height and the width, but just be mindful when you do that, it may skew your image. So if you want to adjust the height and the width at the same time, just come over to one of the corners. Okay, now that we're good with that, you could also come over here to shape formats and you could go ahead and format your shapes as needed.